Yo, so I can see that you want to create AI chatbots for a business's website. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly step-by-step processes on how to do that yourself. So you gotta have like an in. And if you don't have the budget, because this actually costs around $20 to $24 per month, I do know a couple ways in order to get it for dirt cheap or basically for free. It's gonna be here in the video or in the description. But once you get your N8N, it's super duper simple. You just have to go and create your own workflow. Now, the first thing that you need to do is add a chat message. So in the trigger, you're gonna set on chat message, make the chat publicly available, and just change this over to embedded chat. Now, this way, we're gonna be able to like put this piece of code onto our website. And you could definitely like customize it and use it depending on the website builder that you're using. But for simplicity's sake, we're going to use this piece of code. So copy that, then go back to this one. And actually that's it. Like you'll be able to install this, but of course you gotta attach an AI agent so that it's smart. So just add an AI agent to this chat. And for now, let's just remain it like that. Now it's still having an error because you need to like connect an OpenAI chat model. And this actually, like you need to buy some credits, but there are free API keys out there, like the one with Google and other API services. Now, in order to like test this out, let's just ask it, why is sky blue? So we're just trying to check if the AI agent is able to answer those questions through chat. All right, so as we can see, it's processing our prompt. All right, there we go. So it's now able to receive chat messages and answer back. Now, remember, we have this code here. The only thing left is be able to install it in a website. And fortunate enough for you, I created a simple way in order to do this to impress your prospects. So I'll be leaving this template here for you in the description or anywhere here. And you can download this. And all you need to do is just replace this webhook URL with the webhook you have here or chat URL. So just copy it over here. And then the only thing left is to be able to add your screenshot of the website. I did this so that, prototyping is super easy. So for example, I've got Claude here. So Claude doesn't have a chatbot at the front, even though they are the chatbot, right? So like, let's say I want to create a chatbot for Claude or any business for that matter. Go to their website and then use this extension called Go Full Page. I think it's something like capture the whole page screenshot. Download this, right? And then we're going to use something called a website called IMGUR. So it's a free website that you can host your images in. So for example, I'm just going to delete this for now. It will allow you to upload a screenshot or any image for that matter. All right, so this is my image, and all you need to do is right click, copy image address. And after that, just paste it here, right? Oh, actually, you need to remove this blob if ever you encounter this. I don't know if this, hold on. All right, so I just had to re-upload this. Just don't like copy the image address right after you just uploaded it. So once you click on copy image address, and then once you're able to do that, just paste it here, right? And I've already pasted mine. The key thing here is to make sure that it's a .png so that it can display properly on the website. So it's called website clone template. Let's just open that up. So let's go back to there we go. So what you're seeing right now is the one that we just created. And if you scroll down, there is a bit of, a separation here. But I mean, you get the point, right? We're trying to emulate what the website looks like. And once you do that, you already have the chatbot there. And we can definitely like chat with it. All right, so see that you can't chat with it yet. That's because we forgot to save this or like activate this workflow. So once you activate this and we try to refresh this page, I think it should now work. Yeah, so like just activate it and then you should see the input there. So let's try and ask it again. Why is the sky blue? Right? It should be able to answer our basic questions and will actually act as like ChatGPT. So as you can see, it answered our question. But of course, that doesn't mean anything for the business owner or anyone who you're trying to sell chatbots to. What we want to do is like get the content of the website and be able to fetch information, answer FAQs and so on. Like we want this to be as functional as it can. And the way that we're going to be impressing the owner is easy. Like you've got a couple of options for this. You can either use ChatGPT, right? Because like the simple ChatGPT that's completely free already has search capabilities, although you would want to go pro if you want more limits, but this can already search the web. Another website that you can use is Perplexity. So it's like a very smart researcher. So I'm just gonna like paste this prompt here, right? Analyze the website URL and provide all key business information, services, contact details, and FAQs. So in this case, we're gonna like put Claude AI. Don't forget to put that. And it's now gonna search for Claude AI on its own and generate our key information. And then after this is like done generating, so yeah, I was able to do that. After that, you can now put this in your AI agent in a couple number of ways. Like for example, this one. All right, so let's just wait for it to be done. All right, it's done. So what you can do is copy this over, right? And you've got a couple of options. You can open up a new Google Doc that the AI agent can reference, and you can add the tool, right? Search for Google Doc, and then like put the title or the link of the Google Doc. But for simplicity's sake, let's just add it over to our system message. So instead of just you are a helpful assistant, let's just copy paste that. I don't know if it will be able to like do what we want, but remember to put the simple memory. After that, let's try it out. Like this is on the spot. All right, let's refresh this. And yep. What is the website all about? This is gonna suck if it wasn't able to apply our system message. Oh, there we go. The website Claude AI is dedicated to Claude, a conversational AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It serves as a platform where users can interact and blah 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 blah. Like as you can see, we did that in just a couple of minutes. And imagine if you can do this for businesses, right? You can use this as your, you know, simple project and that can like grow into more projects with the business, right? This is going to be your step in the door, right? So like, I think you get my point and you can do a lot of stuff with this, chat bot here. If you are able to understand this, like this AI agent can be connected to a different number of tools. Like for example, you've got this chatbot to be able to process refunds, generate email support tickets, and so on. Like the limits are basically endless. And the cost of this can be like downright free, right? So like it's gonna be up to you in your imagination and the requirements of the business. But basically, that's how you build this simple chatbot for a website. I hope you learned a lot, and yep, that's it. Thanks.